scooter, and it's called the new KQI 100F. Oh my gosh, let me say that again. New KQ100i 100F. KQI. Whatever.
Let me show you its features.
So here you got. Oh no, but wait, where's the throttle? This is the brake. Don't think you're smart if you're saying this is the throttle. This is the throttle. Almost invisible. I'm not right on that one. This is this.
Features.
If you click this once, it changes the thing, the speed type of thing. You have dynamic, something else, and something.
Eco.
Eco, and then sport.
I call it spurt.
And if you click it twice, you got the headlights. And I have a rear brake this time, so
Yeah, tail light's always on. Headlight features.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jorg.
That's right.
Alrighty. You can do some loops around me.
Oh, you can't forget the best part. Wait for it. There it is. Anyways. Okay.
We'll get some GoPro footage next week. I forgot to bring it with me.
It goes about 16 miles per hour. I'm at 17.
All right, come up here and stop and finish your video.
Maximum at 18, but it usually says that it goes only 17, so just depends.
And I think that speedometer's off because I've checked the speedometer on my skateboard and it's accurate. And I do about 20 and I'm barely pulling away from you. So it's 17 or 18. All right, that's our video for this time. Special thanks to a horrible Jorg Sprave impersonation. Go see his Slingshot channel. It's fun.